Guys, we're at Barnes & Noble and they finally organized their Pop-It section. And they have a purple one. And then they have the tie-dye ones up here. As well as the other plain colors. They have these kind of look like Rubik's Cubes, but they're Pyramix diamonds. And this is a ghost cube. That's kind of how it looks. Let's see what else they've got. Okay, so they used to have mini brands over here, but they don't. Oh, they do. So if you guys have a Barnes & Noble, they carry the discontinued mini brands, and they are $14.99. They have the new Toy Series 1 Wave 2, same price. Oh, this one's $15.99. And then they have these Zero Dino Strikes. If you collect these are $15.99. They have Cutitos for $12.99. Barnes & Noble is a little bit higher than a normal store. They have this atomic fidget ball. I think this is so cool. They have more Pop-Its over here. They have these Peapod babies. And those are all the babies you can collect. They have Thinkin' Putty. Actually, let's go over there. So they have all of this Thinkin' Putty. They have different ones. They have Coral Reef. This one, You're My Putty Buddy. Fired Up. I Love You. Super Scarab. And then they have Gold Rush. That is so cool because that is the mini brand's name. So Thinkin' Putty Gold Rush. Thinkin' Putty Jingle. And they have Tidal Wave. This one looks so cool. Falling Water. So Barnes & Noble has a Lego section. They have Minecraft Legos, Star Wars. They had Harry Potter down there. And this is the regular Lego City. They have Lego Friends, Lego Disney. Oh look, they have Encanto. Encanto Legos. That's the first time I've ever saw that. They have Frozen, the Raya movie, or the Raya, I don't know. And Disney Princess. These are cool, guys. They got Scorpion mechanics, so they actually move. A fire ant. They have a hex bug. These kind of look creepy though. Okay guys, so here are the bigger Pop-Its they sell. They have the Go Pop. And this is $14.95. Then they have this one. It's Pop, the only triangle that's available. And these have shapes on it. So this is a Dimple Duo. And it is $24.99. And then they have the Dimple Digits with the numbers on it. And this is $19.99. This is a game I keep seeing on TikTok. It's like the new Twist Bop It game. And you could play with up to 4 players just on this one game. And this is $24.99. So guys, I've never seen this section in Barnes & Nobles, but these are Pusheen the Cat Surprise Squishies. These are $9.99. They have the plush of the cat cell phone ring. This is super cute. And they have a lot more. Then on this side, they have Pokemon. So they have a new, I don't know if this is part of the Pokemon, but it's a ramen plushie bowl. They have Pokemon Legos and all of the plush characters. And then they have some accessories. They have Coleco critters. These critters are so cute. They have so many, and you could really start like a dollhouse family with them, a Coleco critter family. But they have accessory sets with the little babies. Then they have a dog family set. They have another one. They have Panda family. This one's cute. Comfy living, and it actually comes with those pieces. So you guys have asked me previously where I got my ice cream set. You could get it from Barnes & Noble or Target. So this is the next one that we're looking to get, which is the wooden slice and stack sandwich counter. They also have the pasta set, the pizza one we have, and the taco and tortilla set. Then over here they have Squishville, you guys. Let's see how much they cost. They are, there's no price. Oh, $5.99 for Squishville at Barnes & Noble. And that's for Series 1. And they have more Poppets. I guess this is just like their display table for certain things that are in the aisles. And they are about to close, so I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming with me to Barnes & Nobles. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.